Hello kids, in the last video we learned about India, a union of states. In that, state government, central government, the Lok Sabha means the lower house, the Rajya Sabha means the upper house. Today we are going to learn judiciary. The Indian Constitution regards our judiciary as the highest judicial authority to deliver justice. The Indian judiciary exists at a national, states and the district level. However, it also works at a villages level where it delivers justice through gram Nyayalayas. The President of India, on the advice of the Prime Minister, appointed the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The decision of Supreme Court is final. The highest court at state level is the High Court. Judiciary. The Indian Constitution regards our judiciary as the highest judicial authority to deliver justice. The Indian judiciary exists at national, state and district levels. However, it also works at villages level where it delivers a justice through a gram Nyayalayas. The President of India, on the advice of the Prime Minister, appoints the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. The decision of the Supreme Court is final. The highest court at the state level is called the High Court. Supreme Court, this is the Supreme Court and is the New Delhi. Supreme Court and it is in New Delhi. Hordes. All the above have been Prime Minister of the Republic of India. Can you guess their names? These all are the Prime Minister of the Republic of India. Can you guess their names? Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, P.V. Narasimha Roy, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Manmohan Singh. Understood, no kids? Okay, now next on the page. Now let us revise the whole lesson, revised in some points. We already learned this one lesson. Just we revise it. Okay? So let us see. Point 1 is the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. Second one is India has a federal structure of government, a central government in New Delhi and a state government in every state. The central government has 3 distinctive branches: executive, legislature and the judiciary. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. In India has a federal structure of government, a central government in New Delhi and the state government in every state. The central government has 3 distinctive branches: the executive, the legislature and the judiciary. Number 4, the legislative body of Indian government is commonly known as a parliament. The legislative body of Indian government is commonly known as parliament. The parliament consists of 2 houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The parliament houses consist 2 houses. One is Lok Sabha, second one is Rajya Sabha. Number 6. The President of India is the head of the country. The President of India is the head of the country. Number 7, the Prime Minister of India is the effective head of the government. Number 8, the state government consists of the governor, chief minister and the council of ministers. The state government consists of the governor, the chief minister and the council of ministers. Next one, number 9, the governor is the highest authority in the state. Who has the highest authority in state? The governor. The governor is the highest authority in the state. Next, number 10. The Indian judiciary exists basically at a national, state and district level. The Indian judiciary exists basically at national, state and district level. Okay, here lesson revision also over. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Fill in the blanks. I hope you have read the lesson. Everybody reading the lesson? Yes or no, kids? Okay, so let us see. We'll fill in the blanks. Solve this one. A. The Constitution of India came into effect on when? 26th January 1950. Just we are revised it. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January 1950. B. A member of the State Legislative Assembly is elected for 5 years term. The member of State Legislative Assembly is elected for 5 years term. Fill in the blanks, you write here 5. C. India has dash structure of government. India has federal structure of government. D. The dash consists of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Who consists the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? The Parliament. Parliament House. Parliament consists Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. E. The dash government is based in the national capital, New Delhi. Central. Right here. Which government? Central government is based in the national capital, New Delhi. Okay, next question is, name the following. The head of our country. Who is the head of our country? The head of our country, India. Who is the head of our country, India? The President. The President of India. B. The highest authority in the state. Who has the highest authority in the state? The Governor. The Governor has the highest authority in the state. C. The leader of majority party in the Lok Sabha. The leader of the majority party in the Lok Sabha, what will they say? The Prime Minister of India. The leader of the majority party in the Lok Sabha, they are called the Prime Minister of India. Next, D. The highest judicial body, Supreme Court. The highest judicial body is called as the Supreme Court. E. The person who appointed the governor, President of India. The person who appointed the governor is the President of India. It is in our country. Understood, no kids? Now, question number 3. Tick the correct statement and cross for the wrong ones. Before going to tick and cross, you should read the lesson carefully. Understood, no? Okay. A. There are 26 states and 7 territories in India. No, wrong. How many states are there? If you want to confirm it, you turn the page and look here. 29 states are there. How many states are there? 29. So 26 is a wrong answer. Cross here. Cross advocates. Okay. B. The Rajya Sabha presently consists of 345 seats. It is also wrong. The Rajya Sabha presently consists 250 seats. So cross here. C. Any Indian citizen above the age of 18 years can stand for the election to the Lok Sabha? No. It is a wrong. Any Indian above the age of 18 years, he put the vote, not for stand for the election. So it is also wrong. D. The Chief Minister select the Council of Ministers. The Chief Minister select the Council of Ministers. Yes, correct. E. The Lok Sabha has 5 years terms. Yes, Lok Sabha has the 5 years terms. Correct. So, tick there. Understood now? Name the following over. Tick the correct statement. Cross out the wrong ones over. Fill in the blanks over. Now, last question. Answer the following questions. So, let us see. Question A. What is a federal structure of government? Turn the page. Federal structure of government. India has a federal structure of government. A central government in New Delhi that looks after the entire country and the state government in every state. This is because our country is a vast country and it is not possible for the central government to govern the entire country from the single place. Okay, it is your answer. Now second question being, who elect the President of India? Who elect the President of India? Answer. The President of India is elected by the members of Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha and the members of the state legislative assemblies. The President of India is elected by the Lok Sabha, the members of Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha and the members of the state legislative assemblies. Okay, next question. Question C. Who elects the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Who elects the Chief Justice of Supreme Court? The President of India, on the advice of the Prime Minister, appoints the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Who appoints? The President of India, on the advice of the Prime Minister, appoints the Justice of Supreme Court. Next question. D. Describe the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha. It composed of 552 members with the 530 members from the states and 20 members from the Union Territories directly elected by the people and not more than 2 members of the Anglo-Indian community to be nominated by the Honorable President. Every Indian citizen above the age of 18 has right to vote. The Lok Sabha has 5 years term. Any Indian citizen above the age of 25 can stand for election to the Lok Sabha. Understood? Okay. Now next question. Describe the Rajya Sabha. Turn the page. The Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha can have a maximum of 250 seats, of which 238 are to be elected and 12 are nominated. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected indirectly by the members of state legislative assemblies. Members of Rajya Sabha sit for 6 years terms with 1/3 of its members retiring every 2 years. Understood, my kids? Okay, now last question. Write 2 or 3 sentences on the Indian judiciary. Indian judiciary. Judiciary, the Indian Constitution regards our judiciary as the highest judicial authority to deliver justice. The Indian judiciary exists at a national, state and district level. However, it also works at a villages level where it delivers justice through a gram Nyayalayas. The President of India, on the advice of the Prime Minister, appoints the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. The decision of the Supreme Court is final. The highest court at the state level is the High Court. Understood, no kids? Judiciary of the India. Okay. Here our lesson, learning, revision of the lesson and solve the exercise over. Today's your homework is read the lesson carefully, learn this one, revision and solve this one. Write down exercise in textbook and copy down it in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.